Well, hey guys, what's going on? It's Channing Moore, the broker owner of Bayou Mortgage, and it's a new week, which means it's time for a new video. And this part of the week is my favorite because I get to share things with y'all that I know are going to be helpful to you in your home buying journey, which I hope is the reason why you're watching this or opening our emails or doing anything like that, because we want to help you, or maybe you know someone who does. Whatever you're doing, we appreciate it, and I appreciate you checking this out. Today's video, I'm going to share with you the number one mistake that people like you, homeowners, or potential homeowners, first-time home buyers, I should say, make when going through the process of purchasing a home. And so, you're watching this video, you filled out a form on our website, however you got here. One day you pulled up your phone, okay? You got your phone here, and you pulled up your phone, you opened up this little app called Zillow, or maybe Redfin or Trulia, and you started looking at homes because maybe your landlord sucks, maybe you live with family and you that's not working out for you anymore, you're not really wanting to do that anymore. Whatever the reason may be, you pulled up your phone and you just started peeping, checking out the homes that were available on the market, okay? That is the number one mistake that people make. And so here's why. Now, in and of itself, looking at homes, not a big deal, right? You don't want a mortgage. You don't want to go through a tough process. You just want a really nice home that makes you feel awesome and that you're really proud of. You want a place to call home, right? Well, what happens is the last thing you want to do is talk about your finances. The last thing you want to do is talk about your credit. The last thing you want to do is talk to a guy like me or one of my team, because we're going to ask you questions and you either don't want to answer them, or it's frustrating, or you feel like it's a lot. There's a million different reasons why people don't want to, and we understand all of them. And so what happens is you shop on Zillow, then you finally find a perfect home, and what do? You reach out to a realtor. Well, now you found this perfect home and you love it so much that you're willing to go through the pain of actually talking to someone now, but because you haven't spoken with a lender, you don't have an idea of what it is that you can even qualify for. And it's a really, really big mistake to make, because now the realtor's going to refer you to someone that they trust, or that's paying for their marketing, or whatever it is, and that's a whole other issue in of itself, because statistically, home buyers like yourself, they over 90% of the time just end up working with the first person they talk to, whether or not they're the best for their situation or not, whole other issue. But the more important issue is that you've got to talk to a lender. And the reason why you got to talk to a lender is because they're going to be able to help you understand what monthly payment you can afford. Now, I know that you've been told that talking to a lender is all about getting pre-approved for a price range, but what you're actually pre-approved for is a monthly payment, because that monthly payment could be $200,000 on one house or $190,000 on another. You see, not every house is created equal. You could have two $200,000 homes in different neighborhoods, in different towns, in different parts of town. One could be more expensive than the other one because of a variety of factors like taxes and insurance. So it's very important that you understand that you're pre-approved for a payment, and then that payment kind of gives you a general range of where to look at. And understanding that is going to help you know which homes you should even be looking at in the first place. And so I really, truly believe that, I know you don't want, going talking to a lender like Bayou Mortgage, like our team over here, or someone else for that matter. It's kind of like going to the dentist, right? It's kind of like going to get a root canal. Nobody wants to do it. I get it. But it is so important that you get it out of the way, so that you can have confidence in your home buying, and you can kind of remove, I know, that gut feeling in there that says, man, I don't know if I can qualify, I'm kind of nervous. Remove the nervousness. Talk to a lender. Talk to us. We're happy to help. And so don't make that number one mistake, because it's going to lead to more frustration, and then you're just going to agonize yourself for longer than you have to, because you got that gut feeling that says, well, what if I don't qualify for what if this and what if that? A lender's going to be able to quiet a lot of those fears that you've got on the inside. And so there's a button somewhere around this video that'll say talk to an expert. A link, a button, a picture, whatever our marketing department puts on there. When you click that button, it's going to open up a thing. It's going to let you select a day and time that works for you to speak with a member of our team. Now listen, guys, this isn't some high pressure sales pitch. I don't run a company that way. I don't believe in, I think that sales is serving. And so we're here to serve you. We're here to help you. right? It's a 10 to 15 minute phone call. We ask you some questions about your financial situation. We make a recommendation based on the information that you give us. So you tell us some answers to some questions. We say, hey, I think this is the loan program that might work for you. Here's all about this loan program and what you need to know. Oh, and by the way, based on when you want to purchase a home and everything you told us, I think your next step is this. Do an application, wait a little while, work on your credit, save a down payment, whatever it is. The call is designed to help you put a plan in place so that you know exactly what your next step is. We want to give you your next steps so that you know in your own time what next step you need to take, and then we kind of put the ball in your court and allow you to do that. So don't make the mistake of not talking to a lender. Let us help you. We want to help. We want to serve. In addition to all that, we got crazy low rates and low fees, and we can shop multiple banks and all these different awesome things. But at the end of the day, the thing that matters most is our goal is to make sure that we fix your problem. Whatever your problem is, if you've got a crappy landlord and you're tired of living there, if your house is old, whatever your reason is for wanting to buy a home, it's our job to help you fix that problem. So I'm Channing. I'm the owner of Bayou Mortgage. Thanks for watching my video today, and I'll see you next week.